right? But another scenario, guys, is because money flow is coming down right here on Market Cipher B, we need to be aware of the fact that we could get the coveted, okay? We'll be watching for the coveted uneven butt cheek pattern on Market Cipher B, okay? What is the uneven butt cheek pattern? The uneven butt cheek pattern is where you have the juicy, left the butt cheek right over here, nice and big, nice and plump, lots of ravioli inside, okay? And then you got the right butt cheek over here. The right butt cheek over here is that skinny old lady at the diner who smokes too much with the Brooklyn accent, all right? She's super skinny, all right? Hey, Dolores, get over here. This guy needs another cup of coffee, all right? Needs another cup of coffee. Dandelion tea, actually, Dolores, I'm sorry. But when you see the juicy butt cheek on the left followed by the skinny butt cheek on the right, well, that means, especially if price is getting lower, so if we do get another rejection off of one of these resistances and come down even lower to the key support, well, then that would be a very juicy setup, because not only would we have a big old green dot on the daily time frame, but we would have the coveted uneven butt cheeks, which is one of the most bullish signs you could have. In fact, the trade that I'm currently in right now on the 12-minute time frame, from the 12-minute time frame, is this, right? Check it out, guys. Check it out, okay? When I entered the trade, what was I getting on the 12-minute time frame? Well, would you look at this juicy left cheek right here and this not-so-juicy right cheek over here, and if we take a look at the crack and we just measure it, we had about an hour and 48 minutes of butt crack, followed by a not-so-juicy cheek, okay? So if we start to get this on the daily time frame, imagine the possibilities. Speaking of possibilities, notice what's happening here at our golden pocket resistance. We are getting some kind of resistance. That's why it's so important to understand technical analysis so that you can find those good trade setups, right? Those juicy, uneven butt cheeks, guys. It is just so dang juicy. I love me some watermelon. I love me some watermelon in the summertime. You know what I love, guys? In the summertime, on a hot day. Now, I'm a homesteader. If anybody don't know, I'm a good old-fashioned American homesteader out here, all right? I'm out here building chicken coops and a whole bunch of good stuff and all that kind of nice stuff, right? But I also grow me some watermelons. There ain't nothing better than after a hard day's work, hauling compost out there, spreading manure out in the field, coming inside with a nice homegrown watermelon that my wife, shout out to Big Butts 28, my wife, all right? She puts that thing in the refrigerator, and it gets cold. I'm telling you, it gets cold. You take a bite after when you're hot. You've been working all day on the land with the sweat on your back, the sun on your neck, it turns red, right? Eat some of this. I'm telling you, it's so refreshing. It's so refreshing. It's like taking a long right from support. It's like taking a juicy long trade right from support and riding it all the way up to a nice 300% profits, right? That's what it's like, guys. That's what it's like, all right? So those are the main levels, guys, for the corn, right? The main ones that I'm looking for. The main ones. Shout out to everybody who took this long with me, guys. It was excellently crafted, quite an easy trade to get into. It was a little scary in the beginning because when we first hit our golden pocket with the uneven butt cheeks, we were shaking around a little bit, guys. We were shaking around. But in hindsight, I noticed there was another confluence here. If we turn on our monthly levels, we actually bounced perfectly off of a monthly level right here at 47177. So found very good support. Very good support. But again, you know, bottom line is this, guys. The bottom line, if you're just tuning in now, make sure to like the video so we can get up to 750 likes, which I don't think we will. But, you know what's funny, guys? You know, do I have crack in do I have cocaine in my tea? I don't, but I'll have to be honest with you guys. I feel really good. I've been detoxing, right? I've been on this detox diet. I cut out grains. I cut out pretty much anything that's a grain and anything processed. I hadn't really been eating much sugar at all, not even fruit, just some berries here and there and Granny Smith apples. And I feel pretty dang good, guys. I feel pretty dang good. Cut out caffeine. All right? Feel great. I recommend everybody give this a try. All right?